If you are going to be selling gift cards or gift certificates, we'll go to New Item on the inventory page. We'll give it some obvious name like gift card. We'll choose which department to put it into, and then say call it a retail item. Over here on the right, probably turn off requiring customer's name to be sold, and instead turn on prompt price and gift card add value. I'll also give it a price of $0 to begin with because I chose prompt price. So the idea is the attendant would select the item, it would ask for how many dollars the customer wants to put on the card, and they'll type that in. By selecting the gift card add value option, once the transaction has been paid for by the customer, the register will then prompt the attendant to enter the gift card's identification number, and then it'll load the balance entered onto there. So let's do a demonstration of that. So I'll click Save, and this creates this new item for us. By the way, if you wanted to be able to just create gift cards without actually receiving payments from customer ahead of time, you could create a coupon, call it gift card voucher or coupon or something like that. Put it over here, and we'll say it's a 100% discount only on the gift card item. So you would create the gift card line item, and then you would choose the coupon so that the grand total for the order would be $0, even though it will still trigger creating a gift card. I'll give you a demonstration of that in a moment. I'll click Save. And so now I'm going to go to the register for a demonstration. I'll put in my ID code. I'll say New Sale. And in this example, I'll continue without a customer. I'll choose my gift card line item. It'll ask for the dollar amount. So let's say $20 the customer is giving us. And I go to the payment screen. And in this first example, they're giving us cash for this. So payment has been received, and now we're going to enter the gift card number, whether this is a brand new gift card or certificate that you're creating, or we're adding value to an already existing gift card or gift certificate. It just has to have a unique identifying number. So whether these are ones that you're making up, or if you bought say a stack of gift cards from some online retailer that already has a unique number per card, you can do that either way. So if you have a barcode scanner, you could scan a barcode, for example, or a magstripe reader on the side of the monitor. You could swipe a card, or you can just type in a number. In this case, I'm just going to type in a number. So we'll call this number 456, and I'll say submit, and it loads that amount onto there now. Okay, so we'll say close, and then we can print a receipt if we wanted to. So that just now created that gift card. In fact, if I were to go to gift card balance and type in 456 and submit, we can see that the balance there is $20. Okay, let's say if I wanted to just create a gift card without actually receiving payment from a customer, I could say New Sale. Again, I'll choose the gift card item first, and let's say this one's for $50. And then I can say gift card coupon, so that the grand total for the transaction is $0, even though we still have this $50 line item. I'll say pay, and you can add notes to this if you want to as well, but I'll say pay and then say cash, even though it's for $0. And that will still trigger the create a gift card routine here. So let's call this 678, and I'll submit that. So now we just created that $50 gift card or gift certificate. For example, if I was giving that away to charity or an auction or something like that, then that is how you could create gift cards in your system that can be used at the register. So when a customer wants to pay with a gift card that they have, you can, add items. Let's say they're buying a laundry bag with the amount on their card, and they're saying we're using a gift card here. So I'll choose gift card as my payment method, and then I'll just enter the card number that I created, and it will charge that gift card amount. And then when it prints the receipt, it'll actually show the balance on the card at that time.